It's good.
Did you try it?
Yeah, not yet.
I thought I did natural.
Dinner serve. It's perfect. Meron akong clam chowder.
Try
Salad.
this. It's so good. Just on the side a little bit like this.
Okay, thank you.
And try.
Sarap pagka ikaw ang nagluluto at ako hindi marunong magluto. Puro paganda lang.
Oh.
Said, it's good when your husband is cooking for you because I don't know how to cook. Para po pero pag inuman, ay be, pwede na ito pang Olympic. Bakit yung akin, hindi ko kasi siya maubos. Bigyan natin kay Brayden. Okay, may clam chowder din ako.
Is that alright?
Yeah.
Here, put it here
You.
I
instead.
love these.
Yeah. It's good though.
They're my favorite.
Healthy. Ako nakapag-impact na ako. Kayo nakapag-impact na? Di ba? Akala ko talaga Wednesday pa ng gabi.
No!
Buti na tinanong ko siya bukas pa lang ano.
No! Pero papatak yun, ma'am.
Dapat bukas sana ako ng gabi. Sabi ko, ay, hindi ko alam pa pwede. Diba?
Pero papatak yun ng Wednesday, ma'am, di ba? Madali lang ng Wednesday.
Oo. So,
Diba?
diba
May
bukas?
isang araw pa tayo bukas.
Yeah, it's mashed somewhere. I just made it.
There, in the other kitchen. Ate Gla, pabigay nga ako ng ano,
Igla.
Oh, it's good.
ng
Asan na
mashed potato.
Mashed potato. Ah, there.
Very spicy.
I gotta get all my mini clothes out.
Hmm?
I gotta put my mini clothes.
Yeah. I saw your coat, your winter clothes. Thank you.
I gotta give us some green beans. What's that?
Need!
Paper, another one.
Ito yung buko pandan from Creamy Tab. Sarap niyan. Ngayon naman, manonood kami ng movie. Papapakin ko naman tong adobong atay. Gustong gusto ko to. Sarap na sarap talaga ako sa adobong atay. Grabe. What time our massage?
Iman, mommy.
Ha?
Iman, mommy.
Butsa imo, Kendall.
Iman, mommy.
Hey.